I'm tipped out. I'm dripped out.
Huh?
And then you talking crazy. And they ain't nothing funny.
Yeah.
Nigga, you trying to play me. I'll come and get you Sunday. And then I wrap you up. I wrap them packets. And nigga see this boy. The nigga just a savage.
Yeah.
I'm a fat nigga. I like to eat something. You keep playing, son. I'm gonna ride something. My stomach touching my back, cause my
Straight up, huh?
This shit right here was to be continued. This the next thing I bring y'all to my venue. See what's on the menu. The kid get to eating. This Flames, this is y'all something y'all critique for completeness. This is my uniqueness. Flames, I'm the deepness. Y'all don't see the streetness. I'm a fucking teacher. Seeing that I got enemy coming back to be on CNN. Y'all hear the war drums drumming. I've been thinking this thing. I'm about to start lunching. Bring my plates in, nigga. Put it out in public. Right now, y'all see I'm about to be the roughest. See me get up on this thing, take something from undercovers. Damn right, now you see what I'm completing now. Right now, you niggas see this nigga eating now.
I'm like Rocky now.
Yeah.
I'm knocking niggas out. I'm like the saga now. You about to catch this boy. This boy's wildin' now. I got the new car. It's sitting high now. I got the crazy bra. She wildin' now. She like Nick Cannon. She need a wildin' now. I'm crazy. I get that AK.
We all day, any day, nigga. Straight up, my nigga. You know what it is.
You know what it is.
Straight up, nigga.